Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Libraries. Today I'm going to show you how to make an aerogram. So an aerogram is a letter that's traditionally made from one piece of paper and sent for airmail usually. So as you can see, I have my envelope, and if I open it up, inside you have the space to write a letter, fold it back up, and if we seal it, there's your envelope ready to mail. Now I found the template for this on a book on Hoopla called Paper and Tape, Crafts and Create by Marisa Edghill. And you can just check out the book and it'll have everything you need. So I printed the template onto a piece of craft paper and I have it cut out here. And then I also had a template for the interior, which I have here. And I traced that onto just some regular notebook paper and have it cut out. So what I'm going to do with the background part is take just a regular ruler and go along these dotted lines, which are fold lines, and make sure that I score them so that I have a nice solid fold for when we go to fold up our envelope. It moves really easily, which is what we want. So then I'm just going to take a glue stick and glue this to the inside so I have a spot to write my letter. Now I chose to have the pattern facing inward, but you can have it on the outside of the envelope as well. So that's how I made mine. So now when we fold it up, and then fold it down, and then these tabs fold in, and if you want you can use some washi tape, some stickers, or just some regular tape to seal up your envelope. Then there's the outside, and you can drop it in the mail. Thanks for watching. Check out more craft books on Hoopla and Overdrive. I'll see you later.